As promised, I will show you how I created this logo, and later today, I will show you how I incorporated the same logo in an A4 flyer design. Create a new document. I'll be using a cool font called Chillax, which I'll be downloading from FontShare. FontShare has several free fonts that you can download. This is the one I'll be using. Add your text, then add the guides. Zoom in further. Pick the direct selection tool. Select these top parts. Zoom further in, holding down Shift, drag it to the top. Now that we have that aligned, we need to modify the Y as well. Click Y, zoom in, remove this anchor point and this one. And now zoomed in, I'll add another guide here. Go into outline mode, pick up the pen tool, and I'll add to this shape now. Now I'll just add another guide here. To exit the outline mode, hold down Ctrl and Y, but now you want to make it one shape, so you need to highlight both of them and unite them. I also need the T and F to be one, so I'll select both of them and join them using the shape builder tool. And now we'll create an ellipse. Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift V to copy and paste in place. Scale it down. Select both, say object, blend, select all of them, object, blend options, specified steps, add the number of steps. I'll stick to 6. Okay, select everything again, say object, expand. Okay, add some lines to it. Select everything again, say object, expand. Okay, now select everything again, pick the shape builder tool, fill that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and finally this inner part. Select these shapes that you've made and move them to the side. Delete the rest. Select these parts and make the edges round. Now let's bring our text in, scale this one down. Now I'll just add more text and modify it as needed. I normally use color palettes from a site known as Color Hunt. You can come and choose your palettes from here, but for this project, I chose this color palette. Now apply your colors using the eyedropper tool. If you learned something new, you know what to do.